In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom reports in QuickBooks Online Advanced. To get started, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online Advanced account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, find the navigation menu and click on the tab labeled Reports. This is your central hub for everything related to reporting in QuickBooks. Once that page loads, look for the section or option called Custom Reports. Go ahead and click that. This area is where you'll build and manage reports that go beyond the standard templates. To create something new, click on New Report. At this point, you can either start completely from scratch or choose an existing report type to use as a template. Using a template can save time if you see one that's already similar to what you need, while a blank report gives you maximum flexibility. Next, let's customize your report so it actually answers the questions you care about. First, select a report type. Pick a base report that's closest to the kind of information you want to see, such as sales, expenses, or profitability. If you choose a blank report, QuickBooks may guide you with a setup wizard, or you can manually add the columns and fields you want to track. Now set your date range. This is important because it controls which transactions appear in your report. Adjust the dates so you're looking at the right period, whether that's this month, last quarter, or a custom range for a specific project or time frame. From here, you'll want to fine-tune the columns. Click the Columns button to open the customization panel. You'll see a list of available fields. To remove a column you don't need, simply uncheck the box next to it. To reorder the columns so the information flows better, drag and drop them into the order that makes the most sense for you, for example, moving key figures like total income or expense closer to the left. If you need additional data, use the search bar or browse by category to find and add new columns. This is how you tailor the report to reflect exactly what you want to monitor. You can refine things even further with filters. Click the filter button to add or modify them. Here, you can limit your report to specific accounts, customers, vendors, classes, or locations. Thoughtful filtering helps you focus on the parts of your business you want to analyze without getting overwhelmed by extra data. Once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to save it. Click Save Customization or Save As. Give your report a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, and decide whether you want to share it with other users in your company. After saving, your custom report will be available anytime under Custom Reports, ready to run, refresh, or tweak as your needs change.